understand that I lost the drive. It's like it's a whole misunderstanding, you know? I mean, I know it's a ton of data and all that. Let me just start from the beginning. I'm just too tired of cleaning this place up. Between this and my other jobs, it's just getting old.
Wait, other jobs?
I don't.
But we work every day and you've never been mentioned.
Leave it.
But
Don't worry about it. Just leave it. Finally, that's the last box. Let's get out of here.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, see ya.
Yeah, I know. It's fine, it's fixable.
You ran into my car and that's what matters. Get a grip.
We can just get a button or something and take out the dents. Wait, what's this? Folder? Samson, what is this?
Nothing.
Is this secret government data something?
No.
But it says
Do you have any idea how hard it's supposed to steal? Let it go.
we stole it? Is that your other job?
There's just been a small interruption.
But you have it correct.
Well, actually,
Get the drive at all costs now!
Dang it, out of gas.
plates?
Yes, I kind of maybe, potentially, statistically speaking, maybe lost the drive, and they're long gone.
My office. Now.
So, that's how it happened. I apologize.
So apparently, the data is gone. What happened? I thought you said that his car broke down. How could he get so far away?
So, like, I think after the wreck, I got in, I was unconscious for maybe a few minutes or something, and I guess he was able to call a getaway driver and turn it into police.
And he's your coworker?
Yeah, why?
Because he knows who to tell the police to look for.
Potentially.
The police. Come out with your hands up.
I guess the police can track Ubers as well.